It illustrates the dynamic interaction between water resources and people in a context of changing environmental values and norms. The paper is based on a 100-year history of development in the Murrumbidgee River basin, which is embedded in a complex socio-economic and cultural system. It shows how the dominant values and norms relating to water and the environment have shaped the course of development in the river over the past 100 years. This study has broad implications for policymakers, agriculturists, and environmental scientists, as well as for policymakers and decision-makers working to achieve sustainable development in a changing environment.
This article is titled Socio-hydrologic Drivers of the Pendulum Swing Between Agricultural Development and Environmental Health, a case study from Murrumbidgee River Basin, Australia, and was authored by Kandasamy, Sounthararajah, Sivabalan, Chanan, Vigneswaran, and Sivapalan.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.